Have you ever been stopped out of a chart? Well, I'm sure you have, especially if you're a cryptocurrency trader like me. Sometimes you get unfortunately stopped out only to see the price of a chart go even higher. If this sounds familiar, then the stop loss timeout feature from 3 commas is going to sound like a dream come true. Let's take a look. The price has fallen dramatically. I want to take advantage of this and get in a new trade, taking profit at a higher price. And I do not think that the price is going to break below, but just in case, I want to use stop loss timeout to ensure that I do not get stopped out in my trade. First, I set my stop loss price, and I'm going to choose this price down here, just above the tip of the wick. Now I'm going to click stop loss timeout. It is set to minutes. These little wicks that happen are instantaneous, meaning they last no longer than a couple of seconds. 5 minutes should be more than enough time. I also want to set my take profit price. A couple hours later, my buy order is filled. And a couple hours after that, the price falls down to my stop loss. My order, however, is still intact because the price did not remain below my stop loss for 5 minutes. It was just an instantaneous drop in price. As we continue, the price does fall and it does hit that same price again, but because it is not down below this for longer than 5 minutes, I'm not stopped out of my trade. The price shoots up, and there we are. In just under 24 hours, I have closed a trade with 8% profit, and where there was a risk of being stopped out 2 times, I was kept in the trade because of stop loss timeout.